Are you an active duty service member, veteran, or military family thinking about moving to Las Vegas? Before you pack your bags, let's talk about what life here really looks like, from affordability and career opportunities to neighborhoods, community, and lifestyle. I'm Kayvon Jones, and in this video, I'll guide you through the keys that you need to know to decide if Las Vegas is the right fit for your next chapter. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Vegas for Veterans, and I'm your host, Kayvon Jones, where we talk all things buying, selling, and investing in Las Vegas. And now when we talk about investing in Las Vegas, we're not just talking about real estate. Now, this video is the starting point for anyone considering relocating to the Las Vegas Valley. It's designed for active duty service members transitioning out, veterans looking for a fresh start, and military families curious about life in Southern Nevada. On this channel, we do more than talk about real estate. We explore how to build a fulfilling life after service, from navigating local communities to finding your purpose and growing your career. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear overview of cost, job prospects, neighborhoods, lifestyle considerations, and common pitfalls so you make an informed decision about moving to Las Vegas. Let's start with what's on everyone's mind, the cost of living. Housing in Las Vegas can range from affordable to upscale depending on where you choose. On the low end, you can find modest homes or apartments in North Las Vegas or older areas for less than many coastal cities. In master plan communities like Summerlin or Anthem, expect higher prices, but also more amenities and HOA fees. Utilities are another factor. Air conditioning is a must in the summer, so expect higher power bills during the hot summer months. There's no state income tax in Nevada, which can be a big benefit if you're coming from a high tax state. Sales tax and property taxes vary, but overall, Las Vegas offers more bang for your buck compared to other metropolitan cities. In terms of the economy, Las Vegas isn't just about casinos anymore. Hospitality and tourism are still major employers, but the Valley has grown a strong healthcare sector, a booming sports and entertainment industry, logistics and warehouse jobs, and a growing tech presence. Now, there's a particular need for those medical professionals, teachers, and skilled trades. If you're relocating with a specialized career, research whether your fields are in demand here before you move. Las Vegas is made up of Clark County and several distinct communities, each with its own vibe. Henderson, located southeast of the Strip, Henderson offers family-friendly neighborhoods, good schools, and parks. It's popular with retirees and military families. One of the fastest growing areas is Inspirada, a master plan community with walking trails, parks, and a tight-knit feel. If you're looking for single-story homes and a quieter lifestyle, Henderson is a great option. Henderson is also one of the largest veteran populations in Nevada, and you'll find strong support groups and a sense of camaraderie. Now, on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley, Summerlin is a master plan community known for beautiful trails, golf courses, and higher-end homes. It's ideal if you want a polished suburban lifestyle with quick access to Red Rock Canyon and the top-rated schools. Summerlin's retail and dining options feel like their own city center, and the community hosts many events throughout the year. The southwest west of Allegiant Stadium in the I-15 is one of the newest and fastest growing parts of the valley. You'll find a mix of modern family homes, condos, and larger properties designed for multi-generational living. Builders like American West are known for three-story homes with separate living spaces for extended family. Bishop Garment, one of the most well-known private schools, is located here, and the area offers easy access to the I-15 Beltway. The new Durango Casino and other local casino and dining options cater to residents rather than tourists, so you don't have to go to the Strip for valuable entertainment. North Las Vegas tends to be more affordable and is close to Nellis Air Force Base. It's home to a large veteran community and offers newer subdivisions along with older neighborhoods. If you want added amenities, look into Aliante, a master planned community in North Las Vegas with parks, trails, and its very own casino. For veterans working on or near Nellis Air Force Base, living in North Las Vegas makes commuting much easier. Downtown Las Vegas and the historic West Side Las Vegas area are experiencing significant redevelopment. If you love vintage homes built in the 1950s to 1970s, these neighborhoods offer single-story houses with real lawns and no HOA fees, often at prices lower than your newer suburbs. Downtown has a vibrant arts and restaurant scene. The West Side has a rich history and is working to become a bustling community again. These areas are ideal if you want to be close to the action and don't mind investing in a home that may need a little updating. The entire Las Vegas Valley is within Clark County, which also includes outlying communities like Mesquite. If you see a listing in Mesquite, know that's about 80 miles northeast of Las Vegas. Great for a weekend getaway, but not a quick commute. Think about where you'll work and how you'll get there. Traffic is generally lighter than other big cities, but rush hours around the major highways, I-15, US 95, and the 215 Beltway can slow you down. Public transportation is very limited, so most residents rely on cars. Plan your route to Nellis Air Force Base, VA facilities, or major employment centers before choosing a neighborhood. Lifestyle matters. If you love hiking or mountain biking, living near Red Rock Canyon or the Southwest gives you quick access to trails. If you want nightlife and entertainment, living near downtown or Summerlin brings you closer to restaurant, shows, and arenas without the constant strip crowds. Remember that summers are extremely hot and dry. Make sure your home has good insulation and budget for higher electricity bills during June through September. Las Vegas falls under the Clark County School District, one of the largest in the country. School quality varies widely, so research specific schools, magnet programs, and charter options. For private education, popular choices include Bishop Gorman in the Southwest, Faith Lutheran in Summerlin, and the Meadows School near Summerlin as well. These schools offer strong academics and extracurriculars, but also come with higher tuition costs. Charter schools are expanding across the valley, offering specialized programs in STEM, performing arts, and classical education. Check enrollment timelines because seats fill up quickly. Think about proximity. Commuting across town twice a day can be stressful. Choose a neighborhood that balances your work commute with your children's school commute. One of the strengths of living in Southern Nevada is the built-in veteran community. Nellis Air Force Base and Creech Air Force Base bring thousands of service members and families to the area. You'll see uniforms in the grocery stores and find neighbors who understand military life. North Las Vegas has a large population of active duty families because of its proximity to the bases. Henderson actually has the highest concentration of veterans in the state. Many retirees choose Henderson for its one-story homes, slower pace, and amenities. There are also new pockets of veteran communities forming in the Southwest, particularly as more military families seek modern homes with multiple living spaces. The VA Southern Nevada healthcare system in North Las Vegas provides medical care, and numerous veteran service organizations offer camaraderie, advocacy, and volunteer opportunities. Once you settle, you'll find fellow veterans. Just make the effort to connect through local events, meetups, or community groups. All right, so some of the common mistakes before moving. First one would be assuming every part of Las Vegas is the same. Each has its own culture and amenities. Visit neighborhoods in person and take virtual tours to get a feel for them. Underestimating the climate. Budget for higher summer utility bills and invest in energy efficient upgrades if possible. Ignoring homeowner associations. Many communities have HOAs with rules and dues. Make sure you understand what's included and whether you're comfortable with the restrictions. Overlooking the job market. While Las Vegas offers many opportunities, make sure your career field aligns with the local economy before relocating. Research demand, salary ranges, and licensing requirements if applicable. Forgetting about commuting distances. Clark County is large. A house that looks affordable but is 40 miles from work will eat up time and fuel. Las Vegas can be a great fit if you enjoy warm weather, diverse entertainment options, and the vibrancy of a growing city. It's a small, big city with an international airport, major sports teams featuring the Raiders, the Golden Knights, the Las Vegas Aces, and up-and-coming Major League Baseball and world-class food and shows. If you prefer lush landscapes, 4 distinct seasons, or small-town quiet, the desert climate and size of Las Vegas may feel challenging. That said, you're only a short drive from Mount Charleston for cooler temperatures and Reno for more greenery. As you weigh your decision, think about your long-term goals, career prospects, family needs, and lifestyle preferences. Las Vegas has something for almost everyone, but being honest about what you value most will ensure you choose the home and neighborhood that works best for you. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope this detailed overview gives you a clearer picture of what moving to Las Vegas as a veteran or military family could look like. If you have any questions or want specific guidance on neighborhoods, the job market, or VA benefits, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Remember, this is just the beginning. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on Las Vegas market trends, VA loan tips, and community events. Join the Veterans for Veterans community for deeper support and resources. I look forward to welcoming you to Las Vegas or helping you find the right place for your next chapter. Always remember, life is a marathon and prepare to compete. I'm out. Peace.